For this SAT problem, we're given a linear equation of this form, ax plus by equals b. And we are also given that the value of a is greater than 0, and b is also greater than a here, okay, given this condition. And we're asked about which of the following 4 choices could potentially be a graph of this linear equation. So a very standard way of doing this problem is that we should convert this linear equation to y equals like ax plus b, like this form. Then we check for the slope here, we check for the intercept here. Then we compare with the choices and see which one could be a value of them. But that's a little bit tedious. And since we're in a multiple choice setting, so an easy way of doing this is by plugging some special values here. What we can do is we can plug in x equals 0, right? Then we can see if x equals 0, ax plus by equals b. This term is gone, so we're left with by equals b. Then we solve for y. Y is just 1. So for this linear equation, it definitely passes through the point of 0, 1, okay? Then we can check for the answers here. Seems like A, 0, 1, but B is not, so B is wrong. C passes 0, 1, so that's okay. And D is also okay, okay? So we are left with 3 choices. Then we can keep going. We do another plug-in, y equals 0 here as well. Then let's solve for this equation. If y equals 0, we are this by term is gone. Then we have ax equals b. We solve for x. We get x equals b divided by a. And now we should go ahead and use this condition now. We know that b is a value that is greater than a, right? So this value x here, we solve for it, it should be greater than 1. So this linear equation passes through another point, which is x 0, and here the x should be a value that is greater than 1. Okay? Okay, so now let's check the answers here. So choices A is, oh, this is 1, 0. That's not correct. And check for C. This seems to be a value of 2, 0. So that satisfies, which means C should be our answer. But let's just check D to make sure that C is the only correct choice. Then we check for D. D is, okay, so 1 is here, so this is the number should be like 0.5, right? 0. So yeah, D is also eliminated. Then we're left with the answer choice should be C.